Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today in my video, I'm going to do an 8x10 canvas and I'm going to do a modified bloom on white. And I'm going to use my Deco Art paints mixed with my Sargent pouring medium. I'm going to use magenta, purple, green, some pretty colors. And it's a little bit bigger than I have done before, so I'm trying to go bigger. Yeah, so I'll show you my pouring medium when I'm doing the video. So stick around and watch how I do it. Hi everyone, welcome back. So I'm gonna pour down my pillow paint, which is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, and some Sargent pouring medium, which is this, and some water. I'll put the recipe in the description under the video. I believe it's 3 ounces of pouring medium, 2 ounces of water, and 11 ounces of paint, something like that. I will put that in the description. Hope there's not too much air bubbles. So I just mixed it, so we shall see. And I've tidied up, so it looks a little bit cleaner today. And give it a little torch. I'm gonna have to fill that. Okay, so I'm going to pour my paint in a line. I'm going to use my mini blower with one of these attachments, I think. I'm going to try that, or I'm going to try one of my other attachments. Okay, so I've got, this is a berry, Deco Art Extreme Sheen Berry. The Extreme Sheen's thicker, so it takes it a little bit more pouring medium. Got some Arteza Royal Purple, I should say. It's a shiny iridescent paint. Premium. It's a shiny one anyway. I've got some Citron Green Americana, Deco Art Americana. It's not a metallic paint. Just thought a nice bright pop of green would look nice. That's this one. It's Americana. These are, excuse me, these are a better quality craft paint. All right, so now I've got, what color? I think I'll use black cell activator. I'll use the Americana Fuchsia. This is a consistency. Just makes a tiny mark when you do this and then disappears quickly. And then I have rose quartz. And this is a extreme sheen one. Just gonna add a tinge of water to this one. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention you can use Liquitex pouring medium also. I think a couple of these I did use the Liquitex. Which looks like that. Pouring medium. All right, I'm going to use a black cell activator. So there's enough in here. I'm gonna make a little bit more. I'll be right back. All right, so I've made some, this time I'm gonna use Payne's Gray, Amsterdam Payne's Gray, mixed with my Australian Floetrol. All right, I'm gonna try the straw first. Oh, that's way too much. Oh, holy moly. Oh, look at that one. I blew that one fast. Holy mackerel. Isn't it funny how one can do that? It just depends how hard you blow your breath out, I guess. Wow. You gotta make sure you get the cell activator. Wow. That one a little bit too deep because you got the white coming up. And this time I'm using the base is different too. I don't know if that makes a big difference, but oh, that was cool. Wow. I'll zoom you in so you can see it a little bit better. It's very cool. Very pretty. Okay, I'm gonna give it a spin. I want to blow this again, this one here. All right, I'm gonna get, where's my skewer? There, that's so pretty. I like the hints of the green in there. I wish a little more had shown up, but maybe when I spin it, it might. All right, let's see what goes on here. Spin it the other way. Oh, look how much has come off the edge. Yeah, I guess if you put less paint down, you won't lose as much of your design. I got to remember that for the next time. I'm always worried I don't have enough, but I guess you can always add some. So look how much I lost here. Wow, so pretty. Pretty good, it's not moving. So I guess that's quite enough spinning. Maybe I could get it to come this way a little bit, but oh, there it goes. Okay. There. All right, I think I'm not going to spin it anymore. I think it's fine. There you go. I'm happy with this one. It's very pretty. Let's see if you can get over there. So there you go. Try the Deco Art paints in the pouring medium. It works pretty good. I think I'll try a bloom. See what happens. Thanks for dropping by and watching my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't already and hit the bell for notifications. Comment below, let me know what you think. Put the dried result at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Hi everybody. Here's my painting that's just about dry. Modified long bloom. This one came out pretty nice. Lots of nice cells there. Yeah, I like it. It's pretty. Thanks for watching and have a good day, everyone.